Hey everyone, my name is Mohammed Safwan from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. In today's video, we are going to discuss about password locker program, how we are going to develop the password locker using Python. But before that, let us see the topics we are going to discuss today. First, we have introduction to password locker program. Then we have benefits of password locker program. Then we have key features of password locker program. Then we'll discuss about algorithm of password locker program. Then the code required for developing the password locker. Then the future enhancements and the conclusion. So let us get on with introduction to password locker program. So what is a password locker? A password locker is a software application designed to securely store, manage, and retrieve multiple passwords. It eliminates the need for users to remember complex password for each online account they have. The main purpose of password locker is first we have security, that is to ensure that passwords are stored in an encrypted form, reducing the risk of data breaches. Then we have the convenience. It provides a way to easily access passwords when needed without compromising security. Then let us get on with the benefits of password locker. We have enhanced security. The password locker allows us to encrypt stored password to prevent unauthorized access. It uses strong encryption algorithms such as AES or RSA to protect stored data. Then we have the convenience. There is no need to remember multiple complex passwords, as the password locker allows us to store the password in it. It also allows us to quickly autofill passwords in websites and apps which browser extensions or mobile apps. Then we have password generation. It automatically generates strong random passwords, making it easier to maintain good password hygiene. Then we have multiple device access. Users can access their stored password across various devices such as mobile, desktop, and web. Then we have backup and recovery. In case of device loss, our passwords are also not lost with them. The user can recover their passwords to secure cloud backups. Then the key features of password locker program are secure storage. It uses encryption to store password safely. Then user authentication, password protection for the program itself. That is, it allows us to protect the program which we have developed to store the password through master password or biometric login. Then we have password retrieval. Users can easily retrieve passwords when needed. Then we have password generation. It automatically generates strong random passwords for enhanced security. Then we have backup and sync. It synchronizes across devices or allows secure backup of the password data. Then finally, let us take a look at the algorithm of password locker program. The first is shebang line. It indicates the pass part to the Python interpreter to use. Then we import the statements. The necessary modules for for developing the program are SYS for system related functionality. Then we have paperclip for clipboard access. Then we have stored passwords. It initializes a dictionary named password with account names as keys and corresponding password as values. I'm sorry. Command line argument check. Check if the number of command line arguments is less than 2. If true, it prints a usage message and exit the script. Then, to get the account name, we have to assign the first command line argument, that is account name, to the variable account. Then we have password retrieval and clipboard copy. We have to check if the specified account name exists in the passwords dictionary. If true, copy the corresponding password to the clipboard using paperclip.copy. Then we have to print a message indicating that the password has been copied to the clipboard. If false, print a message indicating that there is no account with the specified name. At last, let us go to the code through which we are going to develop the password locker program. First, we have to import the necessary models such as import OS, import JSON from cryptography.format import format. Then we have to generate a key for encryption or decryption for storing it securely for persistent usage. We create a variable named key file and save the value as key.key. Then we create another variable such as password file and store the value passwords.json. Then for generating or load encryption key, we pass the condition so that we can easily generate the encryption key. Then using the else statements, we allow the program to execute. Then we create another variable called keeper and store the value for net.key from the above code. Then for loading passwords from the file, we use again more conditions such as if conditions. Then we import the module OS through the path, that is os.path.exists password file. Then using another condition, we open the password file w as password file. Then at last we save it json.dump. Then we define or initiate load passwords through which we can store the passwords. Then after loading the passwords, we used def save passwords where with this help we can save the password. Then at last we have the functions of the password locker through which we can save, delete, add multiple passwords. Then for adding password, we use the function named add passwords. Then add an account and the password for the account. Then we create a variable named passwords and then store the value load passwords in it. Then we pass the statement if through which we can store the password for the corresponding account. Then we print a message indicating that the account, if the account already exists, we print the message account already exists. Use update if needed. Then we create another variable that is encrypted password and store the value or function creeper.encrypt password.encode or decode. Then we create another variable that is password account is equals to encrypted passwords. Then we save the passwords and print the message password for account is added successfully. Then we for function that is retrieval of password, we create another variable password or use the same variable passwords. Then we use the function load passwords and pass the conditional statement and create two more variables for encrypting that is retrieving the password. And after that we print the message password for account has been decrypted password or the password has been retrieved. Then to list the number of accounts that have been saved in the password locker program, we use the variable passwords again, then pass the conditional statement and print the message that this many accounts are there in the password locker. Then for deleting account and corresponding password, we use the function delete account or class delete account. Then we pass the if condition, that is conditional statement for finding the account for the corresponding password. If found, the we print the message using print function, that is account deleted successfully, and pass the else condition. In case there is no account, we print the message using print function that no account found with name the respective account. Then we use the main program or the main menu through which the user can add, can remove, can edit the accounts and their respective password. We use while condition for the corresponding program. We use while through condition, then print multiple messages. Then we use multiple conditional statements such as if, elif, elif or else if. Then at last we close the program. And here you can see the output, that is password locker. We have the functions such as add passwords, retrieve passwords, list accounts, delete account, quit, select an option. Here we can see the account name that I have saved is Sanju, and the password is 1234 at 1234, and we are getting the output as password for Sanju added successfully. Now let us talk about the future enhancement of password locker program. First we have cloud synchronization. It allows users to synchronize their password lockers across multiple devices securely. Then we have integration with browsers. It allows us to implement browser extensions for autofilling passwords. Then we have machine learning for password strength analysis. It allows or use machine learning to suggest strong passwords based on user behavior. Then the conclusion is the password locker program is an essential tool for securing user data. And by implementing strong encryption and security features, users can safely store and manage their password. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, and please promote my channel.